Now I want to dust it. So I've got two different colors. I've got a African violet, which is a petal dust, which is a matte dusting pattern, and I have the blue sparkle. I'm going to use the same brush for both. I'm going to start with the African violet, and I'm going to brush up here, up on the flag, pretty much the whole thing. And then I'll take the blue sparkle and brush over with that. Okay, so put those aside. Then I can take my white royal icing and do just little dots. This is what I'm gonna end up painting these gold at the end of the flag here on either side, like that's the post that's holding the flag. A couple down here. And then I just do little S's at the bottom of the roof. While we're waiting for that to dry, we can go ahead and do the vine. Like that. Then I can take some of the small flowers. Now I don't have any of the tiny pink ones. This is where I said that I was going to show you how to roll them out. Do them real fast. So I just need some pink rolled out. And then I just pop it right on the royal icing. That's what's so great about these plungers. Okay. All right, let me just talk about the other one while this white is still setting up. This is the other castle right here. Obviously I said it was it's a haunted house. Okay, so I did the same thing with the roof here. I textured this. I just used the different texture mat. Okay, instead of using this one, I used this one. It's a rougher brick. And then I just took the piped around here. These are all pretty much kind of done the same way as I did those windows there. Then I took the gold paint and just kind of painted around the edges. Now I could also go back here and do the royal icing on this also, and kind of brighten that up a little. You know, put some flowers on there. Okay, so that's really the only difference. It's just if you can't find this cutter, you know, there's probably another one out there. You don't have to have that specific cutter. Let's see if this is ready to paint or not. We may have to come back to it. Let's see. So far, so good. There we go. All done.